Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to find large files on your system. Large file can take up a lot of space and slow down your PC. So it's important to identify and remove them regularly. In this video I will guide you through a simple process to locate this file quickly. You can easily filter and delete this file to free up valuable space and improve your system performance. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe my channel. First go to this PC, click on the search bar located at the top right corner of the window. Type size, huge and then press enter. Your system will display all the large files on your computer. Review the list of large files. You can delete unnecessary files to free up space by selecting them and pressing delete. For more videos, please like this video and subscribe my channel.